Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. So as I discussed in my last video, which I mainly for my elder one, that I track their schoolwork, I give them accountability, I make sure work get done, I plan it on the beginning of the week, and each of my child knows what is expected from them, what is a timeline it has to be done, and then their consequences if the work is not done. So having said that, my younger one operates in a very different level than my elder one because she is my younger spoiled brat. She is my baby. So we offered her that, if you remember in the previous season, February, maybe last year, we used to do school work together, three of us, on our dining table kind of thing, in the balcony, under the fresh air, under the sunlight, and everything like that, where both kids next to me, and we'll teach together. But now it's rainy season. Before there was a very hot season, then rainy season, and now we are like literally have moved inside the house. So that's why we got like proper study desk for my elder one, and we offered the same for my younger one, but no, she want to sit next to mama completely. So this is my place, this is my sofa where I sit and do all the read aloud, and this is a lap table for my younger one. Just literally sits on my feet. She's like, she has to touch me all the time when she's doing schoolwork, or just sit next to me like that. So she chose to sit next to me with her lap table, and we do schooling here for her. But she has a note kit and everything. She has everything assigned. She has a notebook where I assign work to her, and she has accountability. So as I told, for my elder one, we have workbooks, but my younger one still does not handle the workbooks very well. She just gets lost. अच्छा कौन सा करना है, क्या करना है, ये करूँ ना करूँ. So for them, for her, I make a bundle of schoolwork. Like again, this is like a bundle of schoolwork for this week. She is my pretty rebel brat. Basically, she doesn't like to be told what to be done, but still, as a mother or as a teacher, I am learning how to get work done from her in a peaceful and without fighting way. But so I give her freedom, but without actually giving, in a way. I'll explain to you. Like, we have 5 days a week. So for my elder one, I have told like this chapter to be done today. That is what I tell her. For my younger one, I do not tell what has to be done. I just have made these 5 workbook bundles, like 1, 2, 2. I have labeled them A, B, C, D, E, but I have not told her what to be done when. Okay, she has the freedom to pick up any bundle any day. So in a way, she feels a lot of freedom, because I have tried assigning a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday bundle also. No, they will be a rebel, they will be anger, and they will be like, I don't want to do this. So that is what, this is a freedom I given to her, that you become any bundle for the day and you can do it. So that is first trick I do with her. Second thing is, she's turning 8, pretty old, but she has a coloring book assigned to her. It's like proper plain coloring, okay? But this coloring book is assigned in the school work for her. And on Sunday, when I'm planning the school work, I ask her like, give me 10 sheets which you want to color in this week. So she literally chooses, and I label those sheets like 1.1, 1.2. I'll show you like which one she did. So again, this is a way of giving her freedom without forcing her, but she has to do coloring. I'll tell you why she has to do coloring, but I'll show you how I assign. Like, if you see, this is 3.1. You see, I have given her 3. Just see the number. So like the 3.1, 3.2, 2.1, 2.2, and in the school work, the school notebook I have assigned pages also. Again, this is her choice, which pages you want to color today. Now why? So I have given a school bundle, okay? She's picking up reading, but still she's like, Mama, what is this? Mama, what is the spelling? Mama this, Mama that. And when I'm doing read aloud, it's very hard to stop for me, because we are in discussion, like suspense is happening, and we have like read aloud like the movie kind of stuff, like what is happening next, me and my elder one, we are like very curious. So this interruption, it like breaks the rhythm, and I'm like, hold on, let me finish the chapter, let me finish this page, I want to know what happened. And it was a problem. She'll not even move the next page, like, no, you did not help me. So what I have told her, like, you do whatever you can do of that bundle, whatever you can do, and when I take a break from read aloud, I get up and get my coffee. That time I'll come and I will help you, okay? So in that time, when I'm not available, maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, I'm a bit of in between, or maybe I've gone to kitchen to, sometime rice cooking, which is like I have to go put water and just not like cooking, but yeah, I'm not available. That is the time I tell her like, okay, do your coloring, because What else she will do? She doesn't like reading. She'll start hula looping, she'll start jumping, she'll go interrupt her sister. So these are the practical things which happen in this house because we have two very close age siblings. So that is like, because it's a school work, she has to pick it up. If I put random, okay, tu coloring kar le, she's like, why do it? It's very tiring. I don't want to do coloring. I want to see like what Didi is doing, or I do my hula loop, or she just stand in here and do headstands. So to stop that distraction in the school room, I have assigned coloring as a school work, so that if I have nothing else to do for her, okay, do your coloring. Because it is a part of schoolwork, it has to be done. She picks it up. Okay, it's a schoolwork. It's a schoolwork. I mean, that's a technique. I'm just sharing like what works for me. So I've shown you the schoolwork. It has science, English, maths, some logical thinking worksheets. That's it. They have coloring. I showed you. And the last thing about how I track her, very much similar to her sister. She has been informed that, you know, Monday we have a factory tour of this one, Tuesday we have park hoppers, Thursday we are meeting such and such. So this is what is for her. So she doesn't have different subjects. She just has a school bundle of fiction reading and non-fiction reading, and coloring I've put it here. So again, for Monday, Tuesday I have not put coloring because I knew we will not have any time to do coloring on that day. But on rest of the days we have project also assigned to her. On Wednesday, Thursday, Friday she has to finish her project. A fiction and a non-fiction reading is again, she's picking up reading, and the science story, she doesn't read non-fiction herself, so I asked her to read one fiction book to me. So fiction book maybe that Magic School Bus, it's a beginner level we have like 20 books of that. So she's reading those to me nowadays. Before that she read some other non-fiction books, something we had. She's reading that. And for fiction reading, she has to read one chapter of a book. So that is usually the Magic Tree House. She likes that book, so she's reading one chapter of that every single day. So that is a part of her schoolwork. Again, the deadline for her is like 12 o'clock. Before 12 o'clock she has to do that reading to me. So you realize that my younger one is too much dependent on me for her schoolwork, because if I am not available, her schoolwork doesn't get done. So Friday 5 o'clock is a very, very strict and scary deadline for her, because after 5 o'clock I'll not listen to her book reading. So so now this week is light. We are out like every day, and we have like lot of like less work, but a lot of other work we have. So but otherwise, when it's a like full school day, we are doing a lot of schooling and a lot of projects, lab books, everything. This reading part is very, very critical for her, because she's dependent on me. So she takes these timelines much more seriously than her elder one, because my elder one usually, you know, picks up a workbook in the night and do 10 questions of like MCQs kind of thing in the night, or like 2 maths questions in the night. My younger one cannot do that. So for her, that time window of schoolwork when I'm sitting here is very critical, because she catches me in that time, her works get done. If she doesn't catch me in that time, she cannot do things much herself. So that's why my way of you know, managing and, you know, handling these two is very different, considering they're different personalities altogether. But that's how we roll, and we are accountable, and every child knows what is expected. So I Monday morning or every day morning, I just take my coffee, sit and just do a read aloud, and kids know, start doing their work and then submitting it to me along with when I'm doing the school the read aloud. I do not check necessarily on the same time. Sometime I'll not have time. Like in those days, I don't think I'll have time to you know, check their schoolwork, because I have to do cook also. We leave after lunch. So I will just keep them like, okay, submitted, and then I will check in the night. Next morning they have to correct what was wrong, what I've reviewed and correction. I tell them that this is wrong, you have to fix this today. And then only that, like Monday's work has to be corrected on Tuesday, and if Tuesday that corrected work and the Tuesday's work has to be done, then only I put a tick mark on their notebook. So it might be a little strict maybe, but that's how I roll. And that's how we make sure that, you know, kids are becoming independent, because subjects will be increasing slowly and slowly, and I have 2 kids. My game is very different, and I have a lot of things to manage as of now. So that's how we roll. Hope it gives you some ideas, and thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. I'll try to help whatever I know. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.